Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend here, so you are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk to you about VIVO V20. So without further ado, let's get started. About the display you'll be getting is the 6.4 inches AMOLED display. This is a full HD display. Talking about the OS you'll be getting is the Android 11 out of the box, and Vivo has their own UI running on this smartphone and they named it as Fun Touch OS 11. Talking about the performance you will be getting is the Snapdragon 720G processor, and if you talk about the GPU you will be getting is the Adreno 618. Talking about the storage and RAM you will be getting is the 128GB internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM, and the second variant over here is 256GB internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM. Talking about the colors you will be getting is the 3 colors, which is Midnight Jazz, Sunset Melody and Moonlight Sonata. Talking about the cameras you'll be getting is the triple rack camera setup on the rear side, and this is a 64 megapixel camera. It is a wide camera. If you talk about aperture you'll be getting is the f1.9. The second camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. If you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is f2.2. If we talk about the third camera, which is a depth camera, which is of 2 megapixel, and if we talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.4. On the front side, that's the phone's highlight, we're getting is the 44 megapixel single camera, which is of a wide, and if we talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.0. Talk about the video recording you'll be getting is the 4K at 30 frames per second on the rear side, and also on the front side you'll be getting is a 4K at 30 frames per second. The battery you'll be getting is a 4000 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 33 watt power adapter. It's gonna be charging your phone really smoothly and faster. If you talk about the Type-C you'll be getting is a Type-C 2.0. If you talk about a fingerprint scanner you'll be getting is the in-display fingerprint scanner. As you all know, Vivo also announced a second phone which was VIVO V20 SE, and they told it's gonna be coming soon. So there are some links which I covered via through internet and some detailed research. So this is VIVO V20 SE. About the display on VIVO V20 SE has built the links. You'll be getting is the AMOLED display. Also over here you'll be getting is the 6.4 inches as expected over here. About OS you'll be getting is the Android 10 out of the box. As you all know, Vivo has its own OS, Fun Touch OS, and it's gonna be over here version 11. If you talk about the processor you'll be getting is the Snapdragon 665 as per the leaks. About GPU you'll be getting is the Adreno 610. The cameras you'll be getting is the triple rack camera setup on the VIVO V20 SE. If we talk about the cameras you will be getting is the 48 megapixel camera, which is a wide camera. If you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f1.8. if you talk about the second camera, which is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, if you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.2. if you talk about the third camera, which is a depth camera, which is of 2 megapixel, and if you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.4. on the front side you'll be getting is the 32 megapixel single camera, which is a wide camera. If you talk about its aperture you'll be getting is the f2.0. For the video recording you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second on the rear side. Also on the front side you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 frames per second. The battery you'll be getting is the 4100 mAh of lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 33 watt power adapter. If you talk about Type-C you'll be getting is the Type-C 2.0. But the colors you will be getting is the two colors over here, which is gravity black and oxygen blue. If we talk about the fingerprint scanner, you'll be getting is in-display fingerprint scanner. Was basically leaks of VIVO V20 SE, a coming soon smartphone. If we talk about the VIVO V20, pretty much you can say it's an overpriced smartphone as per me. And if we talk about cameras, there are good improvements, but if we talk about the processor, it's kinda need to be gooder in this price segment. Between this phone is good for those who want a good camera in this segment, and yeah, it's a good smartphone for cameras in this segment. And talking about VIVO V20. If we talk about the pricing, the base variant, which is 8 gigs of RAM with 128 GB internal storage, will be priced in India at 24,990 INR rupees. If we talk about in dollars, as per my converting, it's gonna be priced at $340. And if we talk about the second variant, which is 8 gigs of RAM with 256 GB internal storage, it's gonna be priced at 27,990 INR rupees. And if we talk about in dollars, as per my converted, it would be priced at $381. If you enjoyed this video, make sure hit the like, share among your friends, and subscribe to Tech. By the way, this is me of NDRS signing home, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay safe, stay with Tech. Peace.